In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text to lower, upper, or proper case in Google Sheets. So it's actually quite simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it for all of them. As you can see, we have a sentence over here. It says, "Have a wonderful day," and then we're going to convert that to lowercase, uppercase, and then proper case. So to do this, you first want to position yourself into a cell where you would like this to occur. So we're going to go over here, and then you want to type in equals, and then for lowercase, you want to type in lower, and then do a bracket, and then simply click on the cell you would like to convert, and then end the bracket and press enter. And just like this, as you can see, we now have a lower case. For the uppercase, you want to do the exactly same. You want to type in equals, and then you want to type in upper. There we go. And then you kind of put in the brackets, click on the cell, and the brackets, and press enter. And just like this, you have an uppercase sentence. And then for the proper case, what you want to do, again, equals, and then type in proper. There we go. And then brackets, click on the cell, end it, and then press enter. And as you can see, we now have lower, upper, and proper cases over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.